Hello friends. Once upon a time, a group of young students sat before their guru, eager to learn something new. Their guru, a wise and powerful teacher, stood before them with a calm smile. He addressed the students, "Today marks the completion of your training. From tomorrow, you will start a new chapter in your lives. The knowledge you've gained so far, spread it across the land with confidence." The students, filled with excitement and pride, responded, "We are blessed, Guruji. We will spread your teachings far and wide." The Guru, sensing their enthusiasm, instructed them to take rest and prepare for their new journey. As night fell, the students ventured into the forest for a final task, looking for food. They stumbled upon a tree filled with fruits. Just as they were about to pluck some fruits, a mysterious figure appeared from the shadows and asked, "Who are you? And what brings you here?" The students, startled, explained their quest for food and learning. The stranger, intrigued, engaged them in conversation. But soon, their attention was drawn to a pile of bones scattered on the ground. One of the students, Chandrakant, was puzzled. Whose bones could these be? They look like they belong to a wild animal. Another student, Birbahu, confidently replied, "These must be the bones of a lion, the king of the jungle." Yet, there was uncertainty among them. Their curiosity grew. Birbahu, eager to prove his knowledge, said, "Guruji has taught us well. With my new learning, I can bring flesh and skin back onto this skeleton to reveal the truth." Determined to test his abilities, Birbahu began chanting mantras. To everyone's astonishment, the bones started to come alive, forming a complete line. The students were amazed at Birbahu's powers, but Chandrakant had doubts. Suddenly, the resurrected lion let out a powerful roar. Fear spread among the students as they realized the consequences of their actions. Chandrakant, always the cautious one, shouted, "We have disturbed nature's balance. We should not have meddled with the laws of life and death." The lion, now fully alive, started moving towards the group. It was clear that it was no longer under their control. In a panic, the students turned to Birbahu, who admitted, "I didn't think it through. We must act fast before the situation worsens." Just then, their guru appeared. His voice boomed, "Foolish students. The knowledge I gave you was meant for the good of the world, not to defy nature. Every creature has a time to live and die. You cannot reverse what is destined." Realizing their mistake, the students begged for forgiveness. The Guru, with his immense wisdom, calmed the lion and restored order. He turned to his students, "Let this be a lesson to you. True knowledge is not just about power, but understanding the balance of life and respecting the forces beyond our control." The students, humbled, bowed before the Guru. From that day on, they promised to use their knowledge wisely, always remembering that with great power comes great responsibility. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.